Finding the best trading platform in the UK can save both time and money, but comparing all the options isn't easy. That's why we tested the top FCA-regulated platforms ourselves, so you don't have to. In this video, we show what it's really like to use each platform, from signing up to making a withdrawal. Performance, fees, mobile usability, customer support, and real user feedback are all taken into account. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will help narrow down your choices and avoid costly mistakes. Let's find the platform that fits you best. But if you want to know more about our testing methods, you can visit investingguide.co.uk. How we test. eToro, best for beginners and social traders. eToro is one of the most beginner-friendly brokers and also one of the most innovative. They're FCA licensed and publicly traded on the Nasdaq, which adds trust and credibility. eToro offers access to over 3,000 assets, including stocks, ETFs, Forex, crypto, indices, and commodities. It also features social trading, a standout function that lets you copy top-performing traders automatically. Registration took us under 5 minutes. You can start trading with as little as $10. The platform is clean, intuitive, and perfect for users who are new to investing. They also have educational content and demo accounts, which are helpful if you're just getting started. eToro's social feed lets you interact with other traders. Think of it like a trading-focused social media. Stock trading is commission-free, though spreads on Forex and crypto may be higher than on platforms like Pepperstone. Their mobile app is smooth and user-friendly, exactly what you'd expect from a platform with over 30 million users. Ready to try eToro? Link in the description. Plus 500. Best for CFD traders. Plus 500 is laser focused on CFD trading, and they do it extremely well. They're FCA regulated and listed on the London Stock Exchange, which adds credibility. Plus 500 is also the official sponsor of Atalanta BC, an Italian Serie A football team. You can trade over 2,800 CFDs across Forex, stocks, indices, crypto, ETFs, and commodities. One thing we liked, they give you risk management tools like guaranteed stop loss, trailing stop, and negative balance protection. Spreads are tight and there are no commissions. Execution was fast in our tests, especially on the mobile app. They also offer tools like price alerts and an economic calendar to stay on top of market events. Plus 500 also features a demo mode so you can practice with virtual funds. Unlike eToro, Plus 500 is geared more toward active traders who want speed and simplicity. You'll find the registration link in the description. Pepperstone, best for advanced tools and automation. Pepperstone is a trading platform that is built for experienced traders. They're FCA licensed and offer direct access to over 1,200 instruments, including Forex, indices, crypto, and commodities. You get your choice of platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader. Ideal for automation, bots, and detailed charting. We were impressed with their ultra-tight spreads, starting from 0.0 pips, low slippage, and excellent speed during volatile trading sessions. They also provide VPS hosting for automated strategies and API access for algorithmic traders. Pepperstone is regularly mentioned in global awards for its trading conditions. Their education section is solid, though more suitable for intermediate to advanced users. Pepperstone isn't designed for beginners. It lacks the hand-holding that eToro provides. But if you want raw performance and pro tools, this is it. Sign-up link is in the description. XTB, best all-in-one platform. XTB is a balanced platform, easy enough for beginners, but powerful enough for more active traders. They are FCA regulated and not publicly listed, but have built strong trust in the European market. With over 12,100 tradable instruments, XTB covers stocks, crypto, indices, Forex, and commodities. One feature we loved, the real-time sentiment indicator, which shows you how other traders are positioned. Their platform, XStation 5, includes advanced charting, educational modules, economic calendars, and integrated news. You can also watch webinars and access daily market analysis directly inside the platform. They also have 24/5 support and strong user reviews in the UK. You get commission-free stock CFD trading, tight spreads, and fast execution on both desktop and mobile. Check out the registration link below. FX Pro, best for platform variety. FX Pro gives you platform freedom. MT4, MT5, CTrader, or FX Pro Edge. They're FCA regulated and offer access to over 2,100 instruments, including Forex, shares, indices, and futures. We liked how you can choose the environment that fits your trading style, whether that's indicators, bots, or simplicity. FX Pro has sponsored Formula One teams in the past, adding to its international visibility. Execution speed was excellent during our testing, and the platform felt stable and reliable, especially MT5 and C-Trader. They also provide negative balance protection and offer a well-organized client portal. Compared to others, the UI feels more dated, but functionality is solid. This is a platform for those who know what they want. You'll find the registration link in the description. At Investing Guide, we help UK traders choose the best trading platforms with confidence. Our content is made by real analysts, traders, and creators, and we update our reviews regularly based on real testing. We don't recommend brokers we haven't tested, and we never publish anything we don't believe in. We also keep track of FCA compliance, broker sponsorships, market reputation, and customer satisfaction. We're always improving our content based on your feedback, and we aim to stay fully up to date with the rapidly changing trading environment in the UK. If you want to go deeper, visit investingguide.co.uk, where you'll find broker comparisons, up-to-date reviews, and trading tools tailored to the UK market. If this video helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe. Links to all brokers are in the description. Thanks for watching and happy trading.